Defense exams utilize physical geography and general science as a high-yield source for direct factual traps and assertion-reason questions. Navigating these questions requires tracking the shift in cosmological models. Ptolemy's ancient geocentric view placed Earth at the center, a concept that stood until Copernicus established the heliocentric model in 1543, proving the Sun was the actual center of the system. Examiners frequently test for knowledge of the timeline prior to the 16th century. In the 5th and 6th centuries, Indian astronomers Aryabhata and Varamira mathematically predicted this heliocentric model, anticipating the Copernican view by nearly 1,000 years. Securing marks in this section depends on upgrading your mental map to a physics-centered hierarchy. This structural logic is exactly how the test makers build their technical traps. In 1925, Edwin Hubble observed that distant galaxies were moving apart, providing the observational proof that the universe is actively expanding. This discovery effectively dismantled the steady-state theory of a static cosmos. Georges Lemaitre utilized this expansion to trace the universe back to its origin. In 1931, he formalized the Big Bang theory, proposing that 13.7 billion years ago, all matter and space existed as a singularity of infinite density. The Big Bang defines the rapid, violent expansion of space itself, establishing the very dimensions and matter of the cosmos from that initial singularity. This diagram maps the subsequent evolution. Following initial inflation, the first atomic structures formed within 3 minutes. By 300,000 years, the temperature dropped to 4,500 Kelvin, allowing matter to condense and rendering the universe transparent. Scientists now recreate these primordial conditions to study the origin of mass. In 2010, the European Centre for Nuclear Research, or CERN, began conducting these experiments within the Large Hadron Collider. These experiments confirmed the Higgs boson, the force-carrying particle that gives mass to other fundamental particles. For your records, boson is a particle class named after Indian physicist Satyendra Nath Bose. The physical laws forged in those first fractions of a second established the precise mathematical rules that govern the stars and planets we study today. The Milky Way galaxy is structured as a flat disk with a central bulge. Our solar system is positioned in the Orion Arm, exactly 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. Light-years are a frequent target for examination traps. A light-year is a strict measure of distance, exactly 9.46 times 10 to the 12th kilometers. It is never a measure of time. The apparent east-to-west motion of stars is an illusion created by Earth's rotation. The pole star, Polaris, appears stationary only because it aligns directly with Earth's northern axis. To analyze stellar evolution, use 2 metrics. A star's color indicates its surface temperature, while its total mass determines its ultimate fate. In 1930, astrophysicist Subramanian Chandrasekhar defined a mathematical threshold that dictates these different outcomes. The Chandrasekhar limit is 1.44 times the Sun's mass. Stars below it expand into red giants, then cool into dense white dwarfs. Stars exceeding 3 solar masses swell into red supergiants, detonate in supernovae, and collapse into black holes, objects of infinite density. The gravity of a black hole prevents even light from escaping. When 2 black holes merge, they generate kinetic ripples in spacetime, first directly observed by LIGO in 2015. These invisible gravitational waves propagate outward at the speed of light, physically distorting the very space they travel through. The 1.44 solar mass threshold serves as the primary diagnostic tool for solving assertion-reason questions regarding stellar evolution. The solar system has a clear structural divide, the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Inside the belt are the terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are high-density bodies composed primarily of rock and metal. Outside the belt are the Jovian planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These low-density gas and ice giants possess massive atmospheres and complex ring systems. Examiners target the specific anomalies of these bodies. Venus is the hottest planet, rotating east to west. Mars features iron oxide soil. Jupiter has the fastest rotation. Saturn's density is lower than water. The 2006 IAU reclassification of Pluto established 3 criteria for planethood. It must orbit the Sun, maintain hydrostatic equilibrium, and clear its neighborhood. Pluto failed the 3rd requirement. The New Horizons mission provided the close-up mapping that confirmed its status as a dwarf planet. Earth is positioned within the Goldilocks zone, the specific orbital distance where temperatures allow for the existence of liquid water. This planetary arrangement is the result of early solar winds, which drove lighter gases into the outer system while leaving heavier, rocky materials near the Sun. The Moon's rotation and revolution are synchronized, both taking approximately 27 days and 7 hours. This ensures that Earth always faces the same lunar side. Lunar phases depend on celestial alignment. When Earth is positioned between the Moon and the Sun, we see a full moon. When the Moon is between the Earth and the Sun, the illuminated side faces away, resulting in a new moon. A blue moon is defined strictly as a calendar anomaly, the second full moon in a single month, rather than a change in physical appearance. Differentiate comets from asteroids by their tails. A comet's tail consists of vaporized ice and gas pushed by solar winds, meaning it always points directly away from the Sun. Memorize the 3-stage terminology for space debris. A rock in space is a meteoroid. It becomes a meteor when burning in the atmosphere, and a meteorite if it strikes the ground. Examiners rely on candidates confusing these terms. Assigning each rock to its specific location, space, atmosphere, or ground, resolves the ambiguity. We have tracked the physical hierarchy from the Big Bang through galactic structures and stellar limits down to the mechanics of the lunar cycle. In the exam hall, use spatial categorization. Divide the planets by the asteroid belt and classify stars by the 1.44 mass limit. To solidify these facts, utilize the Physical Geography Quick Revision Sheet linked below and complete the 15-question previous year paper simulator. By applying the physical logic of the universe, you neutralize the examiner's primary traps. Analyze the data, complete the simulator,